In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion 2025 full tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your Asana project connected to Notion so your work stays aligned across both tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your email address, then click Continue. Next, type your password and click Log In. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that prompt instead. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace in Asana before proceeding, especially if you belong to multiple teams. Once you land on your Asana homepage, choose the specific project you want to connect to Notion. This connection is set at the project level, so pick the one where you'll benefit most from bringing Notion content into your tasks and workflows. Inside the project, look toward the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel where you can add fields, rules, and apps. In that panel, select the Apps section. If your company manages integrations, you may see only approved apps here. If Notion isn't visible, try the search bar in the Apps area or check with an admin to enable it. Click Add next to Notion. You'll see a brief overview of what the app does. Choose Add to Project to link Notion with this specific Asana project. Now click Connect to Notion. A new window or tab will open asking you to authorize the connection. Make sure you're signed into the correct Notion account in the same browser. If you have multiple Notion workspaces, select the one where your team collaborates, then grant the requested permissions. These permissions allow Asana to access the pages or databases you choose so the integration can function properly. You can adjust access later from Notion settings if needed. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. When authorization finishes, you'll be taken back to Asana, and Notion will appear under the Apps section in your project's Customize panel. That indicates the integration is active for this project. From here, you can keep your Asana work aligned with relevant Notion pages, helping your team avoid context switching and keep documentation and tasks in sync. If you run into issues, refresh the page, verify that you have project permissions to add apps, and confirm you're using the correct accounts in both tools. Sometimes an admin approval is required, so check with your workspace administrator if the Connect button is disabled or the app doesn't appear. That's it. Your Asana project is now connected to Notion and ready for use.